Hey, what's up guys? Day 30. In the last 3 or 4 days, I have been doing a lot of nitpicky, time-consuming stuff. Like I took out all of my deck framing that I had temporarily screwed in, labeled it, so I can get it back in the same spot. I started with some of the subfloors. The one here in the rod lockers are done, and both sides. I did some more pour foam. I trimmed a lot of pour foam. I've got my subfloor panels cut for the cockpit and for the battery compartment and for the storage locker and for the other storage locker. So now it's time to put all these subfloors in, finish up the pour foam and these other 4 compartments. I ran out of pour foam, so I had to order some more. And then get subfloors in these and get it all sealed up, and then we'll get to putting the deck on. So it's getting close, except there's an awful lot of tedious stuff left to do, so time to get busy. Y'all stick around. Well, there we go. We got most of the subfloors in. Got the cockpit floor in. We got the battery compartment floor in. We got the main tackle compartment in, the auxiliary tackle compartment in. I've got my deck framing glued in and screwed. I'll pull the screws later once all this epoxy sets. We're getting close. So next time, I got some more pour foam to do in these front 2 compartments, actually front 4, and then I'll put a subfloor in here for the battery compartments for the trolling motor and for the auxiliary stuff. But yep, there it is. It's 30 days in. Again, it's like 2.5 months real time, but 30 days of actually working on it, usually about 4 hours a day. Next time we'll be finishing the pour foam, some subfloors, a little more bracing. Then we'll tackle the front area here with the access panel and the switch panel that needs to I still haven't figured it out honestly, but we'll get there. As always guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.